right, here we are. We should be streaming. All right, so first I'm going to mark out the 4-hour highs and 4-hour lows. Okay. Right now, like I said, I'm currently just marking out 4-hour highs and lows. Then I'll mark out this fair value gap right here. Very interesting. Alright, now I'm going to go with 30 minutes. Now I'm going to mark out the session, highs and lows. Make sure we're on New York time. Market just opened. That's okay. And as you can see on the left, we have the NASDAQ, and on the right, we have the S&P. And these are the future contracts that I am currently trading. All right. I got those marked out. Seems like we're ripping up right now, which is good. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh. We could really do anything today. We could continue lower. We could continue to go higher. Yeah. I want to see how we react off this 4-hour imbalance here. We did sweep Asian session highs, so that is something to keep in mind. If we do want to go lower, this 4-hour imbalance will tell us. So I'm just going to wait and see what it shows me and wants me to do. Do you have, what am I? S&P indicator. Okay, we do an S&P. Something also to keep in mind. Kind of just sitting in this 4-hour I mean, that's okay, but all right. Then I'm gonna scale down to the 5-minute, and then we can see what's going on here. These outlined are all the sessions, so we can kind of see what's going on there. These are crucial highs, crucial lows. Look, we got previous day lows right here, which we swept. Previous day's highs over here. Where is midnight open? Midnight open, we're pretty above. We're kind of above midnight open. We're kind of right there, though. We have an SMT off of these. I believe these are 1 hour highs, if I remember correctly. No, they're not. Okay, that's fine. First 5-minute candle closed a tad. Goes a bit bullish, but looks like a sweep here, but we'll see what happens. We'll see if we want to sweep or if we want to continue downward. We're ripping to the upside. That's good. Like M&Q is ripping up, but ES is not having it. Interesting. Got under the 1 minute. Okay. Something on the 1 minute, but not really. It's too small time frame. All right. Kind of still just watching and waiting to see if I see an entry. If I see an entry, I'll take it. If I don't, I don't. It is what it is. to wait for it. Right now, I'm leaning more really wherever. The market open is looking a little bearish, but we could, doesn't mean we don't have potential to go higher. Gonna kind of just sit in my hands and wait this one out. Let's go. All right. All right. All right. Something here. It's 8:40. I don't take trades till 8:45 or later to prevent all this, because there tends to be a bunch of session manipulation early in the morning and just not good trades. Never got an entry for this, but that's fine. Yes, is absolutely dumping, which is fine. MQ still has not. Gotta watch that. It's a lot of what trading is. It's just sitting back and waiting. If NQ breaks below this level, then we kind of have to go short. Would only make sense. Alright, it is 8:45 now, so now I can take a trade if I want to, but I'm not seeing an entry here. So 8:45 at news. Okay. News was a bit bearish. Okay. All right. Okay. Here's some. This is interesting. Okay, what is this? 46. This is kind of crazy. Potential reversal here. What you like to see? All right. So what do we need first? So we need an initial move up, and then we need to retrace out of that. So on the 5-minute. So we're gonna have to wait a little bit here. At the 2-minute. Interesting. Good on the 1-minute. All right, currently I'm bullish. That's kind of what I was waiting for. We'll see if we get an entry on this. If we don't, we don't. If we do, we do. Not too concerned. It's got to be worth the risk. So I'm going to need to see some here. Okay. right? Okay. All right, bro. All right. It's fine. All right. That one broke structure to the upside. That one didn't. Okay, we'll just watch that. We didn't have an entry for that. That's fine. Okay, now we're going to need a retrace on the 5 minutes. If we don't get that, then we're not taking the trade. Crazy bearish SMT, but I see it's going higher still. All right. All right, very nice, very nice. I like this move down. Obviously, we do have that 5 minute SMT. Not really too concerned though. So we don't enter without our confirmation, because say we entered after that big candle, we would be in the red currently. We got a timer entry here. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I need us to push. I need us to push down a little bit further to take a trade. Yeah, I need us to push down a little bit further. Give me RER, at least ES. I'd like to see us fall back into here in order for me to take a long out of it. Kind of what I'm thinking. Because if we just rip up right now, just go up right now, then we do. It is what it is, but I need just to go lower. Need us to go lower, not higher, in order for me to take that. We didn't have a deep enough retrace at all. Yeah. We'll see. ideally push down a bit more before we go up, but we'll see. See what we get. Not looking like it at all. Seems like we're just gonna rip up and okay. All right. That was nowhere near a deep enough retrace for me to enter. It's okay. I really want to enter long, but I can't. Seems right now we're trying to just consolidating, maybe trying to make way for a bigger move. So I'm going to wait. Didn't get my 5-minute retrace, unfortunately. What I'm going to need to see if I do want to take an entry today is I'm going to need to see us go down, sweep these, tap into this 1 minute, and then rejection out of that. That's what I'm going to need to see. That's what I'm currently looking for. On ES, we could even go a little further or tap into it and they go up, but I'm not too concerned about ES because NASDAQ's target's right here. ES's target is all the way. Okay, well, it's actually not true. Okay. It's like right here as well. The target already got swept actually. So, but yeah, that's what I want to see if I want to take a long. Doesn't seem like that's going to happen though, with how we're moving. But I'm okay sitting this one out. Doesn't. It's not aligning with the way I trade, unfortunately. We didn't have a big enough retrace in order for me to enter. And we're about to hit the area what I thought. But it's fine. right. We're getting some pushes down. I don't think this will really hold though. It's going to be pretty hard for us to come all the way back down there. We're basically at the target as well. So let's see what happens here. Okay, we're still just going to go up probably. What time is it now? It is 9:01. I'll look for another 30 minutes to see if I see an entry here. If I don't, then I don't. It is what it is. But obviously this is the entry right here that I wanted to get. But, oh. Okay. Okay. Let's see, I don't think we have enough to reach that. Plus we got that bearish SMT as well. But let's move this to the side. This is what I want to see. We'll see if I see that. If I don't, I'm not going to enter a trade. It's fine. Okay. Cool. Let's go down further. Yeah. Let's go. Now, if we completely close under this one, I assume we'll make a 1 minute SMT here or something. I don't mind taking the long if we can get a little lower. Nice. We'll see if we get our confirmation out of it or not. Okay. See what we do here. This is crucial right here. We're either going to continue lower or we're going to go higher, and my confirmation will tell me if we do or don't. I have to start setting my Where do I want to enter along? Probably right there. And then I wouldn't want to just go under here. The RR isn't that great, but that's fine. About 60 points. It's like 4 cons. I don't like the risk to reward on that trade though. It all depends if we inverse this fair value gap right here on the 1 minute. If we inverse this, then we're in 4. Just inverse this though, like immediately. If we continue this, then we don't take the long. That's fine too. This is the pivotal part where we either continue up, or we're going to have a reversal here. Okay. See if we can break it within the next 11 seconds. Yep, that's why we gotta wait. That's exactly why we wait. All right. This could close bearish, that'd be cool. Actually, ES is over here looking pretty bullish. That is a good candle closure. That's what you call a good candle closure right there. Okay. A little over 500, I believe. Our entry wasn't goated, but it's okay. I'm pretty confident in these longs right here. Ideally, I would have had a little bit better of an entry, but 68, okay, well. It's 4, so we shall see what happens here. I'd like to see us rip up, or I'd like to see us just absolutely tank to my stop. One or the other would be great. I've seen all the confirmation I need for a long though, so we'll see though. No SMTs, it's nice. Our stop is pretty far below. We're back at entry, which is fine. Now we sit here and wait. I mean, as you can see, P&L is fluctuating. Risk should be pretty good. Okay, risk is 544. Okay. All right, we're tanking. That's fine. This is what I would like to see. Okay, taking this loss. That's fine. Interesting. Okay, well, that's fine. I mean, if it's going to instantly hit my stop. Better that than I wait around here for a while. It's going to happen eventually. Oh, there we go. All right. That's fine. Rather it be that than sit in a trade for an hour or two. But, okay. Okay. whatever. We'll log out of that, and then we're gonna go to our dashboard. Right here, let's resync it. All right, now we're at 1,093. That's okay. Okay. See, here's the money I made so far in this account, the win rate, the profit factor, the other one I got the win-loss up. That's fine. Okay. It's currently down 110 bucks on the week. That's okay. It's only Tuesday. I'm not too concerned. And yeah, that's pretty much that. I'm not really going to take another trade today. Kind of unfortunate. I got stopped out so quick, but it's part of the game. Can't win every day, unfortunately. But yeah, it's gonna close it for the day, and that's it.